I'm sorry, this is going to make a lot of you upset, but the data is in and the studies are over.
For real, though, I do appreciate it when these Manosphere life or dating coaches provide clear evidence that they should not be listened to even before they make a claim. Because when we're talking about complex sociological phenomena that is ever evolving, the data never stops coming in. The studies are never over. And you would know that if you got your training at a place other than Trust Me Bro University.
Women who have more sexual partners before they get into a relationship are more likely to cheat.
Hit me with it, I guess.
A recent GSS survey of 8,000 women showed that the women who cheated had 230% more sexual partners than women who did not.
Which only makes sense, right? If you've only had one sexual partner, then there is zero chance of committing infidelity. And then as you add more sexual partners to your personal tally, the odds that one or more of them have involved acts of cheating would naturally go up. Which is to say that I think you've actually identified a mediating variable. You've also failed to account for any confounding variables. Because people with a lot of sexual partners are less likely to be religious. They are less likely to place a moral value on sex. They're likelier to be older too. And there's also plenty of evidence that there are other factors that are more predictive of infidelity, like relationship satisfaction, relationship length, love. And all of that is without even addressing the question of causation, which nobody doing this work claims to be able to establish. The fact that you seem so confident that it exists makes me think that you don't understand the first thing about any of this work.
The fact of the matter is, women who have had a lot of sexual partners before they enter a relationship are used to having a lot of sexual partners. And when things go wrong in the relationship, they're far more likely to pull the injection.
I should acknowledge here that he is right to flag a correlation. There is definitely some kind of relationship between the number of sex partners and the likelihood of divorce. What he fails to point out is that the exact same relationship exists for men. How likely do you think it is that he's throwing rocks while living in a glass house?